Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're going to make my super easy, creamy, spicy jalapeno slaw. Y'all, I'm obsessed with this slaw. It is a great side dish along with your favorite plant-based protein. It's also lovely on fishless tacos or on like a vegan barbecue sandwich to add a little bit of creaminess and spiciness to the mix. Pretty much anywhere that you would use a conventional coleslaw, you can use this vegan jalapeno slaw to add not just the creaminess and texture, but a little bit of a spicy kick. You only need 5 ingredients and about 5 minutes to make this slaw. It is really simple to make. It's truly just putting things in a bowl and mixing them together. And I'm gonna give you some shortcuts before we get to the recipe so that you can make your slaw in 5 minutes too. All right, let's talk shortcuts because making this recipe in 5 minutes is all about chopping as little as possible. So the first thing that we are not going to chop is the cabbage. Instead of shredding the cabbage by hand, which you're welcome to do if you want to do that, but if you're trying to save time, you can buy, it's called bagged coleslaw, and sometimes it's just shredded cabbage. You'll see that mine has some shredded pieces of carrots mixed in. It's fine if there are other veggies in there. This slaw is very versatile. The other time saver we're going to use is chopped pickled jalapenos. You can find these at the grocery store. They're right next to the sliced pickled jalapenos. They're exactly the same. They're usually the exact same price. It's just that they're already chopped in the jar. That way all you have to do is spoon them into the bowl instead of chopping them up beforehand. Both of those things save a lot of time, so all that you have to chop for this recipe is the green onion. All right, let's make some slaw, y'all. This is truly just a dump and mix recipe, so grab yourself a big old mixing bowl and add your 1.5 cups of shredded cabbage to it. As you can see, it's got those little bits of carrot in it because my bag of cabbage had carrots in it. That's totally fine. Then add 1/3 cup of vegan mayo, a tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1/4 cup of chopped green onion, and then it's time to add the jalapeno. As you can see, I'm just adding that whole 1/4 cup of jalapeno to the bowl, but if you're not sure how hot you want it, start with 1 or 2 tablespoons and then add more pickled jalapeno by the teaspoon or tablespoon until it reaches the desired spiciness level for you. So just add, mix, taste, and add again until you get it where you want it. Then you just mix everything up and stick it in the fridge until you're ready to serve. This is a great make-ahead side. You can keep it in the fridge for up to 3 days, so you can have it at the ready for an easy weeknight dinner. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make vegan jalapeno slaw. If you have any questions I didn't address in the video, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!